So here's the wee beastie firing up. That flicker on the screen is not actually a flicker on the screen, it's just the camera. We're starting Linux Mint 20.3. You'll notice this error message on the screen. All that means is that the BIOS in the computer isn't perfect. It's got issues, but then most computers do. We're now at the login screen. I've kept it simple. To log in, you just use the apostrophe here next to the enter key, press enter, and you're in. Now you don't even have to have that login screen. It can be set to just go straight to this desktop. But that's your personal preference. And here we are at the desktop. So using a touchpad, here's our menu, main menu. We've got our favorites up here. You can put whatever you want onto the favorites. Recently used apps here, a list of all the apps, and then all by categories. So you know, there's a whole bunch of games and graphics apps, internet apps, multimedia apps, office apps, and all sorts. And if you want new apps, well, the software manager will get those for you. To find anything on the menu that's not immediately obvious, just press your start, your super key here, Windows key, you probably call it. It's just like the Windows start menu in this respect. You press the key or tap on your start menu down there and type in the search here what you want. So I want software. So when I type that, comes up here, software manager, click on that. And there's our software manager starting. Now this computer is not particularly high spec, so she's a bit slow. Don't expect too much from it. A good first computer or something to use as a spare, something to use for the odd bit of internet browsing, maybe some email, the odd game, just sort of you know, things like solitaire and that sort of thing, not hard out performance games. Anyway, she's a good little basic machine. And down here you've got things like your internet connection. We're connected to a Wi-Fi at the moment. Your battery, we're running on battery at the moment. As you can see, battery's just charging at the moment, and battery life is promising to be good. Right then, from the software manager, you can pick all manner of apps. The editor's picks up here, various categories here. You want something, just go pick it from the list, and you can install any of those things. Very much like the Windows Store or the Google Play Store for Android. Everything in this store is free. You don't have to pay for this stuff like you do on some of those other stores. These are all community maintained projects or backed by large corporations who just provide them for free. That's it, I think, really. To shut down, you could choose it off the start menu down here. It's up there. Or you can just press the power button key and it'll do the same thing. Here we go. Gives you this. We're going to shut down. Well, actually, we're not going to shut down just yet. I want to show you something like Firefox starting up. There's our Firefox web browser. And there we go. We also got a file manager here. I'll show you that. There's the file manager. I'll just close the browser. There you go. And we've also got on our menu, I just want to point out that people tend to have different preferences for web browsers. Pick the one you want. We've got Brave here, we've got Firefox here, we've got Google Chrome. Now I'll shut down. Go and press the power button and hit shut down. And there we are. Good, basic, functional little machine.